Looking back to when we were young, we would play and we would run. No one told us what to do, we were just having fun. Back then we were immature, everywhere we went people stopped and stared. But we didn't really care, we had nothing to fear. But then when we got a bit older, we felt more weight on our shoulders. Sometimes when you're feeling overwhelmed, just push on through further. We're all just living life, trying our best to get by. So what if we're young and dumb, cause we're just growing up. We're just growing up. So what if we're young and dumb?